Install a truck toolbox. Truck toolboxes are compartments that you normally install in the bed of your truck somewhere behind the cab. These allow you to conceal your tools safely without having to worry about clutter and safety, especially if the tools you will be carrying are heavy. Installing the toolbox is pretty easy provided that you pick the right toolbox for your truck. That said, here are some tips on how to choose the toolbox suited for your needs and how to install it onto your truck's bed. Determine where exactly you want the toolbox set. Most trucks will have enough space in the trailer bed right behind the truck cab. In fact, it is highly recommended to use the space provided that there is nothing there that will hinder accessibility. If you find this area amenable for the toolbox, then you will need to measure the bed's width. Remember that truck toolboxes come in different shapes and sizes. However, the bigger the better, right? Well, it really depends on the type of tools you will be storing in the box. Picking the right toolbox. Toolboxes come in various materials. Plastic ones are the cheapest but are not very durable, especially if it will be exposed to the sun constantly or if you plan to load a lot of heavy tools. A metal toolbox with diamond plating is great for more durability because of its high-quality material. You can also choose a wooden toolbox, however, durability will be in question in rainy areas. Whatever you choose, make sure to get one that comes with J-bolts. The bolts will allow you to install your toolbox onto your bed without the need for drilling holes. Peruse the instructions. Regardless of what toolbox you purchased, make sure to really peruse the instructions that come with it. It will tell you how to secure the toolbox in place as well as care for it. Prepare your truck bed. Unless your truck bed has been layered with rubberized paint or matting, make sure that you line the area where you will be placing the toolbox with rubber matting big enough to protect the paint job of your bed from the constant vibrations of the toolbox that may chip the paint. Installing the toolbox. Assuming that you purchased the toolbox that comes with J-bolts, locate the J-bolt hooks at the sides of the box. This will be the bolts you will use to secure it to the sides of trailer bed. Place the box in the designated area and work on each bolt at a time. Latch the hooks onto the side rails of the trailer bed and install the nuts and washer inside the box. Tighten the nuts with a ratchet just enough to stabilize that particular bolt in place. Repeat the steps with all the remaining 3 bolts. Once you are done with all the bolts, open the box and place all the tools inside. Close the box and lock. Take the truck out for a drive and check on the toolbox if it moved after the drive. If it did not move, then you are done.